Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a player on the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game within your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can choose from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to report any player within your friend list, then you can tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from the socials tab, just tap on the person that you wish to report and then tap on more options. From here, you will have the option to report. Tap on the report button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to report this person. Tap on the yes button and this will report this person right away. You can also provide the details on why you are reporting this user within the next screen after you tap on yes. Once you provide your reason, the reporting will be submitted and the appropriate action will be taken against this account. You can also report players within the game if you suspect some foul play. Just make sure that you note this user's name and then report through the game support page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to report someone on the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.